We are out of a very cold January into February, and I'm very excited that spring is right around the corner. I do not look forward to pollen season, but I'm definitely over the cold. Two focuses of this month's newsletter in February. First is content. Content will slightly adjust this year. I know I'm a stats nerd, and I know I provide you a lot of stats in the real estate market. I will try to make those quick and brief, but also pull in other design trends, what you can do if you're getting ready to buy, what you can do if you're getting ready to sell. If there's any particular videos you would like to see focused on, certainly comment in the YouTube box below, and I will include those as well. And secondly, you may have seen my EXP luxury marketing. I want to make a point that this is not because I'm only working with luxury listings. I still work all price points, so please continue to send me those referrals. Thank you. But this is solely for my luxury listings. So if you are getting ready to sell and your home is over $900,000, in addition to all the marketing I do, I can now send this listing off to the EXP luxury division team, and they blast market it. I'm not going to get into all the marketing here. If you are getting ready to list in that price point, I'll certainly send you over everything that we can now do being part of the EXP luxury division. I had to qualify to get in. Then we pay an annual fee, and we are able to just basically offer this service to our high-end sellers that EXP wasn't able to offer before this division came out. So I'm very excited about that. Stay tuned. I've got a listing coming up for $1.85 million here later this month. So if you have any buyers, certainly keep me updated. Stay liking or follow me on YouTube, Instagram to get updates on a more regular basis. And I will see you back here in March.